Hey guys, Roby here with another Divi Engine quick tip for you, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add a cool list grid feature to your body commerce sites, but you can also do this in Divi Machine, and it is pretty awesome. As you can see here, I'm on New Egg, and you have got this grid view, and just with the click of a button, you go into list view. Body commerce can do this super easy, and if you don't have body commerce yet, what are you waiting for? Definitely go grab that. There's a discount code in the description for this video to get with the cool kids and use Divi Body Commerce. And for those of you that already own it, subscribe to this channel because you don't want to miss all the great ways that you can make the most out of your Divi Engine investment. All right, guys, so let's go. Okay, so here I am on the back end of a Divi site. Now, I'm going to quickly exit the visual builder here, show you what I've got going on. Just a normal kind of like filter page. I've got my Ajax filter here, and then I've got some products on the right-hand side, only in a grid view. So let's enable the visual builder. And then all we'll do on the back end here is open up the settings for that product loop module. And we're going to scroll down to where we've got the grid options. Now it says grid style. We're going to say grid list view switch. And almost immediately, you're going to see that pop in here on the left-hand side. Now you can go ahead and style these icons as you want in the design tab. Down here, you also have grid list view options. You can have it on the left or the right, and you can have the default state. And then the cookie time. If you put it to 0, it's only going to be a session cookie. When the user comes back, it'll be whatever the default is. But if you do set this for 13 days or whatever, it's going to save that state that the user visited the site in last when they come back. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it at 0. I'm going to go ahead and save my layout here. And then I will go back to the front end. Cool, so here we go. We've got our grid here. And if I click on list view, bam, you can see it pop over to the side here. It does this automatically. Now you can have this work with custom loop layouts, anything that you want. It will actually go ahead and move the part of the content that makes sense to the side. Just bold those product cards out or those loops out as a grid view, and we will take care of the rest for you. Now we do have some extra classes and stuff that you can use in here that makes it easier to control what's shown in each view. Definitely check out the documentation that'll be linked in the description of this video. So guys, that's going to be it. Again, like, subscribe, comment, engage. We love you guys. We want to make more of this type of content. Tell us what you want. That's going to be it for now. This has been Roby with the Divi Engine team. I'm going to catch you real soon. Bye for now.